Hello everyone, we are 2 minutes after our time, so I think that we can start. More people are joining us, so I will start with short introduction about me, also a short intro to this training. And I would like to welcome on our first Jira Service Management training this year. This is updated version of the first version which I had a chance to present last year in January. This month we started with this life learning initiative. It was a new chapter, our community chapter, and now it's called community-led classes, and we have got more and more people who are teachers, and they share their knowledge about Atlassian products. So I'm very happy that it's not only about Jira and Jira Service Management or Confluence, but also other tools like Atlassian Intelligence, for example. But today we will talk about Jira Service Management. So I will start sharing my screen. Okay, I hope that you see my presentation, my screen. I would like to start with short introduction about me because I saw on the list a lot of new names, so I'm very happy that new people decided to join this chapter and this training. So my name is Kate. I am Chief Product Officer and co-founder at Atlassian. We are Atlassian marketplace partner. I am in the Atlassian ecosystem, I guess, rather longer than shorter, because I've been in the ecosystem since 2017. I am also Atlassian community leader since 2022. 1 year later, I joined Atlassian Creators Program. Also, I am Atlassian Certified Expert Emeritus. I passed a lot of certifications, Atlassian certifications, so now I can have this badge. And also, I am a trainer in our life learning chapter. And Jira Service Management is strongly connected with another tool, Confluence. So I am very happy that I had a chance to be a book reviewer implementing Atlassian Confluence. As I said, I work and also I'm co-founder in Atlassian. We are Atlassian marketplace partner. We founded our company in 2020 and we are backed by Atlassian Ventures program. We specialize in apps for Jira Service Management. We publish them on the Atlassian marketplace, and we received a marketplace award 2023 in ITSM App Solutions, so I am very happy. But today I don't want to talk about any apps because this training is about core products, so Jira Service Management. As I said, you can find our solutions on the Atlassian marketplace. So if you are familiar with Atlassian ecosystem more, you probably know Atlassian marketplace, in which you can find a lot of solutions for Jira, Jira Service Management, or Confluence. So you can also find our profile and our solutions on the marketplace. But today we are talking about Jira Service Management. And before we start, some useful information. Also, I put this information on chat, that this session will be published on my YouTube channel. You will also receive email with link after this meeting. If you have any questions in the end of the session, we will have time for Q&As, so please leave your question in this Q&A section. I show all configuration and features using standard plan on cloud. But as I said, today I would like to say more about changes, about new features, which you can find in Jira after last year. So I have also a premium plan on my instance. But I will tell you if it's something available in premium plan. If you are not very familiar with pricing plans for Atlassian products, we have got 4 options: free, standard, Premium and Enterprise. And very often we have got a situation that some features are available only in Premium and Enterprise, and they are not available for free or standard users. And it's not only about costs, but also about features, some security issues, support, etc. You can find a detailed feature comparison between these plans. So standard, this is my base, but today I have also premium features because, as I said, I want to show you some new things which are in Jira Service Management. And I don't have any apps installed on my training instance. So as I said, today we are talking about pure Jira Service Management, so I don't want to say anything about some apps and additional features. Before we start, some short overview about products. Products, because in Atlassian portfolio we can find, I guess, around 20 products, but the most popular around Jira are Jira Work Management, Jira Software, and Jira Service Management. Last year, during Team 24, we had an announcement that Jira Work Management and Jira Software are merged to one product called Jira. In this slide, I decided to leave this old naming, Jira Work Management, Jira Software, because in a lot of places you can still see these two names in some articles, documentations, maybe some webinars. So I think that it's still available in our ecosystem, these two names, but in general we want to say that Jira Work Management are dedicated mainly for business projects, for HR team, legal teams, some business teams. In case of Jira Software, we have got software projects with some integration with development tools like Bitbucket. And we have got Kanban boards, we have got sprints, releases, etc. And we have got Jira Service Management, and this is product for today. And Jira Service Management is a very unique product because we have two phases of this product. One side is for agents, for people who are responsible for tickets, for managing tickets, resolving these tickets, and they use Jira, they use features which Jira provides, Jira Service Management. And we have got also second side, and we can talk about customers. So customers see different view. They have got access to Help Center with many customer portals, and this view is a little bit different in comparison with Issue View. We have got less actions available for customers. And also in Jira Service Management projects, we have got some unique features which are not available in other project types, like service level agreements, this customer portal, and also we have got permission schemes allowing customer access. But the main difference is having these two sides, customer and agent. So we can find in some Atlassian materials that Jira Service Management is a solution that can transform the way organizations manage their services and support their customers. And we have got different roles in service projects because, as I said, we have got customers who creates requests on your service project through portal, email, chat, or widget. So we have got different options, different channels. We have got also request participant who has got access to this ticket, and we don't need any license for these people. So to have access to customer portal, you don't have to pay for customers. So you can have many customers and you don't have to pay for them. But the condition is that they don't have access to your Jira, so to your issues. They have access only to customer portal. Also, as I said, we have got agents, very important role in this Jira Service Management project. agents work on customer requests, they can add customers to service projects, they can create organizations. So they are responsible for these tickets, for resolving these tickets. Of course, we have got some project administrator who can set up the service project, users, cooperate with global administrator. And we have got also another important role, which is not connected directly with Jira Service Management, but they are very important in this request management processes. Because collaborators who have got access to Jira, and they work on resolving, for example, some bugs, and they cooperate with agents in Jira Service Management also to provide more issue context, and we have got also possibility to have a very strong connection between these two roles, two type of projects in case of request management process. And last year I had one session with Alex from Apetec Tutorials, and we talked about how effectively cooperate between agents and some developers, here called collaborators, and cooperate using these two types of products, Jira software and Jira Service Management. So you can also find this tutorial on my and Alex YouTube channel. But I guess that this year also we will have another session about it, because as I said, we have got more and more features, and we have got new options how this two target groups can cooperate more effectively using these two products. Okay, so let's move to our Jira Service Management project, and let's explore what is new. I think that the biggest change, which is not rolled out to all customers, is new navigation, and I think that this is something which can change a lot how to use Jira and how to manage your work in Jira. I would like to show you everything on new navigation, but now I will show you what is the current state and what is a new navigation. Now it's an early access program which I joined, so this is why I have this new navigation. First of all, when we have old navigation, which you probably have, we have got here service project. I called it January training, and here we have got on the left navigation which is connected with this project, and we have got also top navigation, which is a global navigation. You can find all your projects, some filters, dashboards, etc. And this is what we have now. But in case of new navigation, this is a slightly different design, because here you can find that in the top navigation I have mainly searcher, possibility to create new issues. Also, I have linked to Rovo, new product, new Atlassian product, which is about using Atlassian intelligence. And the whole navigation, not only projects navigation, but also some global aspects, we can find on the left. And also we have a possibility to customize the sidebar, so you can define which elements in this navigation do you want to have on this list, and which should be hidden. So this is a huge change, and I think that most of you will need some time to convince to this navigation and to know where you can find all this information. But in case of features, we have got, of course, the same. So here you can see that I have got the name of my service project. I have got list of different views or links which are connected with this project. We have also possibility to add some shortcut to some external addresses. In case of old navigation, we have got exactly the same situation. But here we can go to project settings, and what we have here. So here you can see also new navigation. We have got some groups of, for example, request management. We have got group for apps which are installed and available for this project. We have got also groups of notifications, etc. So again, we have got a slightly different view, navigation here, but features are exactly the same. And today I would like to show you what we have new, because in 2024 Atlassian added some nice features to Jira Service Management, and they developed this product very intensively. So first of all, views. I guess that this is something which can be very helpful for support teams, not only to organize their work connected with customer tickets, but also to organize their internal work. This is something new, because previously, when agent worked, the main area was queues. And queues, it was the main view for agents. They had a list of all tickets, and this list can be different depending on queue definition. And of course, we can define some SLA, so service level agreement, for example, time to resolution, and we can also present this information here, use this information to prioritize these tickets. But and as you can see, this view is a little bit different in this new navigation, because when I come back to the old navigation, we have got queues, we have got list of queues, and here I have got my queue, which is opened here. Here we have got a little bit different navigation. Here we can find two groups of our queues, but still I can add my queues as a top, and we have got a new section, start. You can see that we have got number of requests which are presented in this queue, and also here for start and default queues, this counter is automatically updated, but in case of some other queues, you can see that this information will be refreshed when you are in this queue. And of course, queue definition is exactly the same. So when I go to edit queue, you can see that I have possibility, first of all, to assign this queue to some priority group. Of course, I can rename it. I can define some filters for this queue. Also, I can define columns, and using drag and drop change the position of these columns. So in case of some configuration, I think this is something which is relatively new, is this possibility to organize queues in some priority groups. So let's come back to this view. Okay. What's next? So views. I said views. So we have got a new area which can be really important to manage requests and also internal issues in this project by agents. So first of all, we can see board, which is a well-known view from Jira Software and Jira Work Management projects. So here we have got 3 columns to do in progress done, also with some indicator how many requests we have got in every column. We have got some information, additional information on this cards, which represents issues. We have got also possibility to make some configurations. So when I go to configure views, we can see that in case of columns, we can create more columns. We can define which statuses are connected with which column. Also, possibility to define some minimum, maximum issues in each column. Also, we can define this constraint if we base on issue count, or we don't have constraints, or if we base on issue count excluding some subtasks. This is configuration which you can also know from Jira software boards. We have got swim lines, so you can create some swim lines based on request types, for example. So I back to port, and here you can see that I have got a request type: email request, IT help, travel requests. So I can easily collapse it, and thanks to this, my information, my issues can be grouped. And here we can also change it, so we can change this grouping to assignee, based on assignee, or on a request type, or without any grouping. Also, here we have got some insights. This feature is also well known in software projects. So we have got information about issues for attention. Here we have got information that SLA is breached, and the SLA was in November, in the end of November. Also, we have got possibility to open this view, open this board as a full screen, and we have got also some small configuration if we would like to open issues in sidebar. So when I click on it, I have this issue. Or if I want to present quick filters, we have got assigned to me, but I can also define some other quick filters. So as you can see, this is everything which you can know from Jira software, and now it's available also for service projects. Okay, so this is one view, board. Another view is calendar. Calendar, this is also something which is introducing into software projects. And here you can see your issues based on due date. So let's click on this icon. You can, thanks to this, schedule your work. And here we have got a list of requests, and I can define this due date here on this issue by editing the value on the issue. But I can also use drag and drop. Okay, it was possible in the past. I don't know why it doesn't work now, but I think it looks like a bug. Okay, so I will refresh the site. Okay, I don't know why it doesn't work. So let's try once again. This is why this navigation is in app, because not everything works. Okay, let's see if I have it in alt navigation. Okay, I have this one. Let's try it here. No, it doesn't work still. Okay, so it's some global problem. But as you can see in this alt navigation, we have got a little bit different design in Jira. So if someone is like me and I really take care of design and I am pixel perfect, I see a huge difference between these two navigations. Okay, but when I fill due date, it should work. Let's see it. So it's January 9. Yes, and now it works. So here you can see in this calendar view that this issue has got a due date 9th of January. Okay, and here we have got also some small configuration like opening issues in sidebar, presenting issue key or without issue key. You can color them by status or decided not to color them. Also, we have got possibility to show weekends and we can decide when a week starts on Monday, Saturday or Sunday. And here, of course, the basic set of filters. So this is it, what we have here. So views, this is something new. Let's coming back to project settings, features. In general, when we have new features in Jira Service Management, but also in Jira now, we can enable them in this features area. This is something which wasn't available, I guess, 2 years ago, but now almost every feature you can enable or disable here. What is also new and also is developing is this area about customer service, because we have got customer and organization profiles. This feature was announced 2 years ago during Atlassian Team 23 and it was the beginning of it. After that, a lot of features were added and also products and entitlements were added. So I have enabled these features. So let's see what is the effect of it. So here we have got a directory. This is something which is also new because when we go here, first of all, in alt navigation, we have got only customers and we don't have any organizations page here. When I go to project settings, to features, and I decided to enable this customer and organization, okay, and we come back, you can see that we have got 2 separate pages for organization and for customers. But in this new navigation, we have got directory. So in directory, we have got list for customers, list for organizations, and list for products. So when these two features are enabled, you have to see this directory with these 3 tabs. In case of customers, as I said, we have got, we can have a lot of customers on our customer portal and we don't have to pay for them. If we decided that these customers need to have access to your Jira issues, at this time they became Jira users. So you have to pay for them. But in case pure customers, so only to create tickets, put some comments in tickets, they are absolutely free. And when you have a lot of customers, you can create organizations. And here we have got possibility to create new organizations. So for example, apps bio. I'm clicking add. And I can add customers to this organization. So when I'm clicking on it, I have got, first of all, information about some organization and also information about customers. So this is something new. So I put my new customer. Okay. And you can see that here we have got a new customer. We can also put some organization details. So for example, first of all, I have to create field and it will be field in which I would like to have country for this organization. As you can see here, we have got many field types. So we can define what type of information do you want to store for this field. Also, we can define view and edit permissions. So by default, Jira admins and agents can view and also can edit this information, but you can change it to anyone with access to this site can view, or Jira admins can edit. So I'm clicking create, and when I'm going back, here you can see that I have new field, and I can put that, okay, we are from Poland. Also, you can add some products to your project, and you can also, this product adds to your organization. And here you can see requests raised by customers in this organization, and you can also put some notes. So when I'm clicking notes, I can put some information. For example, this is great company. And here we have got a note with information who added this note, when, and of course we have got a text. So this is something like comment on issue, but in this case we have got object organization. Okay, so this is also something which is rather new than old, because we have got now more options. You can also import, export this data. This data you can also use on request view. So let's go to one request. Here we have got request, and here we have got section called customer. So here we have got customer details, for example customer, and here you can see that I don't have any information stored for this customer. Also, I didn't make any configuration for collecting this data, but when I click on it, you can see, and it's the same like for organization, I can collect information about customers. So I can create field, and also let's say that it will be a country. So let's click create, and I can here, so I have got this example user, and I put here some information. And as you can see here, we have got information about requests which were created by this customer. And again, here I can put some notes. Also here I can manage detail fields, and this is this view to add some fields, and these fields are configured by project. So if you want to store the same information for customers, for organizations, for products in different projects, you have to define them once again. So also what is important to say, that here we have got option manage issue view, and here you can decide which fields do you want to present on issues. So let's say I check that I want to present country, and when I click save, I'm going to the ticket created by this customer. Okay, and under this customer details, you can see that this is country, this is this field with some information. I can't edit here, I have to go to customers views or organizations in case of organization, and make some edits there. This information can be used in jQuery. And they are available only in Jira. So, for example, if you want to present this information on customer portal, in customer profile, or do you want, or if you want to collect this information from your customers, it's not possible to do it. There is no such option, so this information should be added by agent in service project. If you need such solutions like collecting some information about customers, organizations, which are provided not only by agents but also by customers on the customer portal, you have to use app. For example, we have got one app for this actions, for this use case. It's called Customers and Organizations Management. Okay, so this is this area. And Also, in case of commenting tickets, because this is very important part for this cooperation between agents, developers, and customers. What is specific for service projects? We have got two options: add internal note and reply to customer. And add internal note, this is a note which is available only on this issue view. So it's available only for people who have got access to this ticket. So for agents, but also for some collaborators, for developers, some business owners who need to have access to this ticket. And this comment is not available to your customer. And this is also something which is totally different in comparison with Jira project, software or business, because in case of software and business, we have got only this one side, this issue view. But in case of customer portal, we have got also customers. And if you want to reply to your customer, here we have got option to put a comment which is available also on the request view for your customer. This option is available only when you are service agent. So if you have got a license as a service agent, you have possibility to be in touch with your customer. So you can reply to customer, you can see SLA, you can edit this issue. But when you don't have this license, you can only put internal notes. And when I put some comments, so test comment, let's say, this comment will be visible to your customer on the request view. And here we have got option to see this request in customer portal. So I'm clicking here. And here you can see this other side. So customer portal, help center, this is a request view. So as you can see, in comparison, these two views, so issue view and request view, in case of request view, we don't have a lot of information, a lot of fields, a lot of actions, which are available to your customer. So your customer has got information which he provided in the ticket, in the request form, and also have got some simple transitions to do, like escalate, resolve this issue or cancel a request. These actions are dependent on your workflow. And here we have got only option to put some additional comment. What's more, in this view, we have possibility to share request with someone from your team, from your organization. You have to put here some email address, and this person is called request participant. And request participant, this is also user picker, which is available only in service projects. In case of help center, this is our main page, help center, and help center collects customer portals, and every customer portal represents service project. And here you can see that I have got two portals, demo service project and HR team. We have got also searcher, and I'm admin here, so I have got this option to customize. And here you can see that we have got more options than in the past, because in the past we didn't have possibility to edit page layout, and this is the newest thing which we can do here, because here you can see that when I'm scrolling and hovering, I have got some elements here. So I have got a banner, I have got announcement, I have got topics, I have got portals, and also I have got this last section called recently used request forms. So this is something new. And here you can change the layout of this page. Last year, during Atlassian Team 25, 24, sorry, it was announcement about possibility to change the layout, the look and feel of your help center and customer portals, and it looks like the first step to provide such solution. So first of all, we have got possibility to change position of elements on this help center, but also here you can see that we have got possibility to hide some options. So for example, this banner is hidden now, so we don't have access to searcher. Also, we can change the position and we can add some section above or below. And in case of adding section, we have got something new. Now we have got only one option, one type. So we have got section with a rich text editor, and here we can put some content. So text field, we can put some tables, create some sections, etc. There is not only text field, but with a lot of formatting options. So I think that this is something really cool, and this is exactly the same component which you can know from Jira, for example, from description field. So here we have got more options, definitely more options. I guess that maybe on some of your instance this feature is not available because, as I said, this is really new thing, but I guess really cool, and I'm really interested in new announcements according to this feature, because I'm pretty sure that it will be developing, and we will have some news during Atlassian Team 25. Okay, so and what's more, this option is available for premium users. Okay, so these card changes. Let's go to one portal, because as I said, we have got help centers, help center. We have got portals under this help center, and here we have got a new option also. We have got possibility to create many help centers, and this is something also really new. Last year we had only one help center. Now we can create many help centers, also available for premium. So let's go to view all help centers. And here we have got place to manage these help centers. So by default, we have got one help center. It has been created automatically when I created my first service project. And you can see information that all projects are linked. And here we have got option to customize look and feel. And about customizing look and feel, I have a dedicated session which will be in 2 weeks. So you can register, and in details I will talk about this area, this topic. Here also we have got some settings. Now it's only help center name, and we have also possibility to define which service projects are connected with which help center. And as I said, now I can create new help center. So it will be my second help center, and this is the help center name. And I can I have to put help center URL. So here I have to put some Slack. So let's say that it will be help center second. So I'm clicking create. And now I have to decide which projects will be linked to the second help center. And also we have got some small but very useful feature that you can link all new projects to this help center. So when I will create a third service project, this project will be automatically added to this second help center. So let's say that I want to so now it's linked, so I want to unlink this HR team. Okay, so we have got here one project, and let's back to help center. You can see that now we have got one linked project. What means linked? So let's go to this help center, and here you can see that I don't have this two portals. I have only one help center, which is in this case one customer portal. I have got request types request groups from this one customer portal, and here I don't have possibility to find this second project. But I'm going here to my default help center, and here you can see that here I have got this two projects. And when I am in this customer portal, I have got these two request groups, and every request group has got a list of request types. And in the request type, we have got a request form. So here you can put information which you want to collect from your customers. Okay. Also, during this next session about branding, look and feel, I will talk a little about creating informative request forms, because I guess that thanks to create a good request form, we can avoid some requests, or we can able to solve them faster. So also I will talk about it on this webinar in 2 weeks. Okay, so this is it what we have also new. And the last thing which I would like to say is about Atlassian Intelligence. This is something which is growing and it's developing rapidly. And when I go to the ticket, the first thing is that I have got this icon. And this icon is Atlassian Intelligence. And here you can see that it's not enabled on this instance, not yet. So with this Atlassian Intelligence, you can, for example, summarize your ticket or change your tone and voice. So it can be very helpful for your agents to create good comments, to create good responses. But in case of responses, we have got these features still available, creating some canned responses. So you can create new response. So it's a my response. Here we have got some body of this response. You can use it as a signature. So this is also something which is new. And we have also option to insert some variables. So here without any changes. So let's use it as a signature. And I'm clicking create. And here I have got option to insert a response. So I'm clicking here, and this is the signature. So it's also very nice feature, because when I prepare some response to the customer, I'm clicking reply to customer, and let's do it once again. Here you can see I have this signature. So let's modify it to be more clear. So it will be, for example, this one. Okay, and let's say that it will be bold. Yeah, we have got also option to format this text. This is again the same component which you know from description field. Okay, so let's save it. Okay, here I'm clicking cancel, and let's do it once again. So I'm clicking reply to customer, and as you can see, I have got my signature here. So this is very nice feature. Again, something small, but it can be very useful during your daily work. Okay, so what's more and what's new? I think that also we can talk about assets. This is feature which is available for premium customers, and in case of assets, I think that the most important thing to inform you about some new thing is that we have got some new thing like Assets Data Manager. This is something which is mainly for enterprise customers and help you to present data from different sources, from different MDM tools. So you can collect data about your assets in your organization, your company, from in different tools, and in Assets Data Manager you can combine all this information in one place. You can remove some duplicates, you can merge some information, so you can have one source of truth. But Assets Data Manager, it's not for getting started, definitely, with Jira Service Management. Also assets, it's a little bit more advanced topic. I had training three trainings last year about assets, so you can also find them on my YouTube channel, and I guess that this year I also create some updated version of assets tutorial. Okay, so I guess this is something what I have for today. It was very short and I try to show you mainly this new things, but also talking about some basic information about Jira Service Management. As I said, next time I would like to tell you more about look and feel, about creating informative customer portal, request forms, preparing some descriptions, and doing a lot of things which can make the whole user, or rather customer experience, better. So it will be in 2 weeks, and next topics are also planned for February, so I hope that you will join next training, and also you will add yourself to our community-led classes chapter, so you will have all notifications about new events.